How to fix OBS virtual camera failed to load. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you potential ways on how you could fix an error on your OBS virtual camera. As you can see right now, this is our virtual camera on our screen. And potential ways for you to be able to fix this is for you to try and deactivate it and activate it just like that. Sometimes it will work and it will reset the settings. You could also explore the settings over here where you could play around with the device as you can see here. And you could play around with the different settings and maybe you have touched a settings that made it to not work on your OBS. And the last method that I could suggest is either restart your OBS or delete the video capture device over here by clicking on delete just like that and then adding it once again through this section video capture device. So those are the different ways that you could try and that would maybe fix the OBS virtual camera problem that you are experiencing. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.